Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add the PS Plus games of the month to your library and your account on your PlayStation 5. And it's very easy to do this. So if we go to like the home screen here, we want to go to the PlayStation Plus symbol, then select it and go on down with the D-pad. And then at the top you can see the latest benefits, but you can see the monthly games. So for January it is Evil West, then we have a Plague Tale Requiem one, and Nobody Saves the World. So you can see this is already added to my library, and then I purchased this one over here. So you can just go to it and then add it to your library, and then you always have it. So if you ever want to play it again in the future, we can just go up and then we can go to collections, and we should be able to find it under here. So another area that we can find it is if we go to the home screen, go on over to the game library right here, press up and go to your collections, then go to PlayStation Plus. You can find every game you ever added to your account over here. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.